Remember that Minn Kota Endura stuffed in the back of your garage that we all grew up with? What if I told you you could make that thing a spot lock trolling motor with all the GPS autopilot features of today's most high-end trolling motors for a fraction of the price? And just like that, one simple modification can turn your basic trolling motor into something just like this. The Autoboat system is an ingenious drop-in, plug-and-play system. Very simple to connect, very simple to rig, and very simple to install on the trolling motor with just these key components to make everything work. It is designed to work with the Minn Kota Endura, Endura C2, and Endura Max, or other trolling motors just like it with the equivalent size shaft. The unit is super low profile, and most of the time people can't even notice that it's there. But once it is on there, you can have a lot of fun. It can change the entire way you fish. This unit can be controlled from the simple remote that comes in the kit, or you can control it via a phone app. You can steer the motor yourself, or go ahead and press the nav heading button, and the trolling motor will then steer itself. When you're ready to stop and hang out at a spot in the wind, go ahead and press the anchor button, and its GPS system will lock you in place right where you need to be on the fish. Autopilot trolling motors are now for the people. It can go on anything. Get it right here, get it first. TBNation.net.